Are you sick and tired of systems and programs that promise you the moon and don't deliver? Do you want to achieve real financial freedom? Perpetual 20 can help you get that and more. The main components of Perpetual 20 makes it the most powerful system on Earth. You have 3 easy ways to make money. Income stream number 1. Unstoppable commissions. Earn unlimited $20 payments instantly. Income stream number 2. Reverse 2-up residuals. The awesome built-in reverse 2-up system will send you a lifetime of perpetual income automatically. Income stream number 3. Instant product sales. You get massive products every month you can sell anytime for instant profits. Plus, not only that, you get your own fully functional, gorgeous, and automatically updated referral website included. You get unbelievable training and resources to help you build your business. You get your own back office system to manage your business from one convenient location. You get to build your downline automatically and can email them anytime you want. You get everything, a complete system to financial freedom. All you need is to refer 4 people, not 1,000, 500, or 100 people. And we show you exactly how to get your 4 people quickly and easily. This will be the last program you need to become truly successful. Join Perpetual 20 now and get started immediately.